In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Tonkeeper account step by step. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your phone. Tonkeeper is a non-custodial crypto wallet, which means you control the wallet using your recovery phrase, not a username or password stored on a server. Because of that, the only reliable way to recover your wallet is with your secret recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase. Next, on the Welcome screen, tap Import Existing Wallet or Restore Wallet. Tonkeeper will ask you to enter your 24-word recovery phrase. Type the words exactly in the correct order. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes because even one wrong word will prevent the wallet from being restored. After entering the recovery phrase, set a new passcode or biometric lock for the app. Once that's done, your wallet will be restored and you'll be able to see your T1 balance and transactions again. If you lost your recovery phrase, unfortunately the wallet usually cannot be recovered. Since Tonkeeper does not store your keys, there is no way for support to reset or recover the wallet without that phrase. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.